Even after 75 years of independence, would you consider yourself free? Would you say that our decision making are free of bias or inferiority complex? We are still living in colonial clutches. Let me tell you how. Let's talk about the history. Not the one we have studied, but the one we have lived. Have you heard the quote? Until the lion learn how to ride, every story will glorify the hunter. Even after 75 years of independence, would you consider yourself free? Would you say that the colonial mindset get out of our minds? Would you say that our decision making are free of bias or inferiority complex? In my opinion, we are still living in colonial clutches. We have become so English in our taste that we forget our roots. Thomas Macaulay bring English education to India. His sole purpose was to legitimize the British rule, portraying Britishers as superiors and we Indians as inferior. Here's the evidence. The Thomas Macaulay say that, and I am quoting it, to create a class of persons, Indians in blood and color, but English in taste, in opinions, in morals, and in intellect. Britishers devised the education in such a way that showed them as superior in art, science, technology, culture, and we Indians as poor, uneducated, uncivilized, and the white man's burden. They need to civilize us, they need to educate us, they need to skill us, and we Indians have nothing of our own. And we need to surrender it to Britishers for a good living. This is considered as a white man's burden theory. The sole purpose of Indian education system was to hammer in this white man's burden theory, or somehow or the other we are in the trap of it. Let me tell you how. English become a sign of progression and speaking in Hindi become regression. English songs become cool but Indian classical music become annoying. Wearing western attire become a status symbol but wearing dhoti, kurta, veshti become old school. McDonald's, Tim Hortons, IKEA got the grand welcome by Indians, but vocal for local, Tri-Fed makes no mention. Justin Bieber, Coldplay shows were sold out, but Indian classical singers were performing in empty halls. Learning flamenco and salsa become modern, and learning Indian classical dances become conservative. H&M and Zara become the favorite global brands, but Khadi village and cotton industries become downgraded. Believing in ghosts and spirits makes you powerful, but visiting to temple or tithas make you superstitious. Chilling on the Netflix become the new norm, but introduction to Ramayana and Mahabharata is of no use to today's generation. I leave you here with this question, but this does not end here. There is a lot more to tell, so stay tuned for the part 2. Dhanyavad, Jai Hind.